Hi guys, welcome back to tutorial range, and in this video tutorial I'm going to show you namespace. So we have already covered namespace, and in this video tutorial I will show you that how we can split a namespace in different part, and then we can just create an output. So first just create a namespace called validation, and then create an interface called string validator. Inside that we have a function called is acceptable, and inside that we have passed a parameter called s, and then type is string, and the return type will be boolean. And for testing, here there are two regular expressions, so it will accept number the letters only, and this one will accept the numbers only. So as you know, these are two regular expression which checks the string and number. And then let's create a class, export class letters only validator implements string validator. So this class is implementing this interface. You have already studied about this interfacing in previous video. If you have not covered, if you have not learned so far, you have not watched the video, then I recommend you to check my interface section first. Okay, so this class is implementing this interface, and here uh, this function is being called here string, and return letters space dot test dot s. So this s is passing here this parameter, and this one is for zip code validator. So export class zip code validator implements string validator is acceptable as string, then return s dot length equal to 5. If there is triple equal to, that means it is checking equality as well as data type, and number regular expression test.s. If both matches, then it will return. Then there will be two curly braces closing here, so it's finished. Now for testing purpose, here we will pass let strings. We are just creating an array, and we will use the validator here. So let validators, then as string validation dot string validator. Similarly, for zip code validation, this one is so validator zip code new validation dot zip code validator. So we are creating object this one with parameter. Now this one is for letters only validation, and finally we will check here. So let as of strings, we are creating just an alias of strings. Then for let name in validator, we will find the name. Okay? So if it checks if is acceptable as, so here we are applying ternary operator. Okay, then if it will be true, then it will show matches, or else it will show does not match, and then it will display name here. Now let's compile it. CLS, then tsc namespace 2.ts. Now load namespace 2.ts. So it is showing that hello does not match zip code. Okay. This one matches letters only, and this one matches zip code only. So it is displaying the list of the things which is matching and which are not matching. So idea here is that now we will separate these in different files. We will split in different files, and ultimately we will call one file and we will generate the JS file. So let's see how to do that. We will create a file called validation.js. Yes. And then we will cut this section and paste there. Oh, sorry. It will be actually validation.ts, not js. Validation.ts. Now let's create another file called letters only validator.ts. So this file is also created. Now we will add this one. That means from so this validation, as you can see, this validation.ts, this one is being included here. This one in this file. So to include a namespace in TypeScript, you need to write triple forward slash. That way you can include your namespace TS file. Now let's create another file called zipcode validator.ts. In this file, we will write this one. Here in this file also you can see validation.ts we are including because that is a common file which will be included in all, but that is in interface and that is namespace also. So in this namespace, in short, to include a namespace in another namespace file, we need to write this triple slash, and then here also we are referencing this file validation.ts. Now to show the output, we will create another file. Let's create another file and put all this test.ts file. In this file, we are including all the three files that we have created so far. So here validation.ts and this one is letters only validation.ts and zip code validation.ts, and rest of the code we are writing the testing string, and here we are writing for validator and for zip code and letters only, and ultimately we are running here for loop. So now to test it, to generate the output file, we will write this code here tsc, then hyphen hyphen out file sample.js. Remember, so far you have been using tsc and then uh, the, the ts file. Okay, tsc, then say abc.ts file. If you want to give a different name, if you want to, so what happens in that case, of same name a JS file was created. In all our earlier example, we used to write tsc test.ts. In that case, test.ts JS file was created. But in this case, we are giving a different name. Okay, sample.js. That is why we have written here out file. The name will be sample.js, and then the source file is this one. And now node sample.js. So the output is showing as usual and as before. So Uh, you learned in this namespace section that how you can create namespace and how you can export and import in previous video, and in this video you have learned that how you can write your namespace code and segregate in different file, and ultimately how you can namespace and generate a different file and call all those namespace file in a single file, and ultimately you can generate a .js file and display. So that was the namespace section, and hope you understand this and like this. If you like it, please don't forget to uh, subscribe my video. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.